Third duel of the night. Yes. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. 2. Necrovalley. Well, he's not ashing me right now, so let's see if he tries to ash me. And we'll save this. There it is, fusion. Dragoon. I'll just set 1. I think I'll set 2. Yeah. Tunendo. I wish I could copy this. Oops, all capitals. Tanyi. He's playing Zodiac Eldritch. Come on. That's it. Just set a card and pass it over. Come on. Two cards. Oh no. That's the Eldritch shenanigan. Who is this? What is this? Come on, Dodo! Dragoon. Effect. The heck is this? What is this? Is he trying to bait me? What? Eh. Metaverse. Pop and burn. Oh, it's a lunalite. It's a lunalite, huh? I need this card in my hand for a negate battle. Dragoon direct attack. Turn endo. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Okay. Wish I had more lightning storms. Wish I had more lightning storms. Round 2. Dude. Oh, the heck is this? It's making me go first. Commandant or commandant. I don't know. It's Graveskeeper. Headman. Effect. Special. Oh god. No, he's got... What the heck is that? Gamma. Oh my god, no way. He's gonna imperm me. Fernando. Okay. No! That's why he went first, because he's loaded up with hand traps. Or that's why he made me go first. Yeah, Necrovalley. What? Cannot be destroyed by battle. Come on. Dodo! Ah. Good old red eyes fusion. Can't be destroyed by battle. What about by card effect? Pop and burn. Alright. Battle. Let us start Dragoon. Attack. Turn into. It's got one card. It's got two now. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Comment, share, like if you sub it, if you liked it. See you guys.